This is trade recap. June 20th, 2024, and Tuesday, 18th, June 2024. Wednesday was off for his bank holiday. So let's go to the 15-minute first for June 18th. So we're gonna cut this out first. Market open. So we're gonna mark these 15-minute high resistance highs. Mark this green. Then we mark these 15-minute support zones. Oh shoot. Mark this red. Then we go to the 5-minute. We're gonna mark the 5-minute zones. So let's see here. Meaning we have to mark mark. Let's mark these zones. Just want to see if there's any better zones I can mark. I think these are alright for now. We could probably fix it when we're on the way. Just lows right here. Right there. It's kind of tricky. These highs. These 15 minutes. These are 5 minutes. I think I can make this a little bit better. Let's probably mark it like that and put this red. Yeah, these zones. Now we play till the macro, so 950. Alright, so let's see what price does. So the bias, we're going to be looking for lows because you have all these fair value gaps and all these imbalances, or you have these imbalances. So we're going to be looking for an entry. We could also look for a quick scalp because we have this, and then this imbalance. We have this one too, so see if price wants to break through this. It goes out. Set this below this TP. We'll say we put the TP at this imbalance. It's pretty good risk reward. We also have, before I finish this, we have this. Let's see if we could be able to mark this correctly. highest point. We have this resistance right here, or this ceiling. We could say this could be the floor, since it already broke through. Price might retrade. Well, let's see. Price might go. This one got filled. See what price does. I think we should put the wicks there. Price, yeah, this is much better. So price is always hitting its head on the ceiling. You have these two candles, these two candles, these two candles. This touches it, it goes out. Wants to retest the zone. Touches it. We could sell. I tried to sell above there, but obviously you would probably put your stop loss above this. But since I can't get an actual entry since it's replay, I would have probably entered. I would have entered off this candle because it closed below, and it being a bearish candle. Could have found better entries though, and ideally, I would expect price to go down to this level because that's the lowest or the strongest. They are the lowest. I feel like I predict price will go, and usually these strong key levels, price always draws towards them when the bias is towards down that is towards these levels. So we'll see where price goes here. So price is gonna retrace because there's a fair value gap, but this could also be a position where you add more contracts in too because price is it just keeps touching, the wicks keep touching the zone, but they don't actually close into or above the zone. So price is most likely going to keep falling, the trend keep going bearish. So you'll probably add some here. You could probably retest this. It hits up. It closes above the zone actually. See what price does. Just wicks, wicks, wicks. It doesn't close above. This one closed underneath. We'll probably see. Yep, this one closes underneath, meaning that price just disrespected this bearish, or I mean, so price was bearish initially, it closed bullish, but then price went bearish again, disrespect, or kept following the trend because it closed bearish after these two came. This one's probably gonna hit TP. Oh, I should have hit TP. I forgot to put the TP. I forgot to put the TP, but I would have hit TP. I just pretend I hit it. So if I actually put the TP there, it would have been 900 profit. So let's go to, so let's see this from, so what we did, we marked out these levels of support and resistance, first the 15-minute, and then for a better entry, we go to the 5-minute. Into these zones, we have these 2 points of resistance, and then this support. We go to the 5-minute, it's the same things. These are the 5-minute zones, and we're trying to play off of these inside these zones. These ones are just price where price would draw towards, and you have this piece of where probably liquidity sweep would in there. And then what we do, we just play a little scalp at around, yeah, right here. We could wait for price to go down here, play the long position up to the fair value gap. You have a long right there, and price closes well above there. Actually, to the bottom of that resistance zone, and then you could put a short position, which is the main bias. When price closes underneath for bearish, you could put that there, and then put this for liquidity, and then put this down to the lowest low. Then boom. Alright, let's go remove drawings and let's go to let's go to this day, today, June 20th. There's no market open because Juneteenth on the 19th. Let's see, replay 30th, the 30th, 9:30, 30th. Let's go to 15-minute. Mark these zones. Alright, let's see here. We have these two. We have these two zones right here. Huge wicks up. We have these two down. These are the inner zones, or not the inner zones. These are the higher time frame zones where price will probably draw towards. We have the 5-minute we're gonna go into, and we also have the bearish bias because these fair value gaps and imbalances, things of that nature. Let's go to here. Let's find the zones. Sometimes you gotta try to find them. We have this zone. It's kind of hard when you're in the lower time frame. Oh, that's a bit too far back. I'll just leave it there, it's whatever. And then we have, I'm pretty sure I blocked it, did I? Could probably find a better zone. Did I? I think I did. Hold on. It's kind of iffy right now. Mark these zones, I guess. I think I found a better one though. I forgot where I put it. Was it these ones? No, it was. I think it was these ones. We'll fix it on the way. It's fine. Make green. Gets fixed. Trading view, so there you go. 1 minute. Just wait for the macro. We have price hit this 50% mark. Price will probably touches it. Touches it again. Since it touched this mark and this mark, we could entry sells off here and then put a stop loss right above this zone. And then we have lows that we could hit. We also have these lows right here, or price, these previous lows that price will probably hopefully hit. Pretty sure this is, I don't know if this is the best entry. I think it is. Yeah, it is. It barely, this is why you gotta save for liquidity, because liquidity could have, if you put your stop loss there, you could have been stopped out. Then if you were stopped out and something like price just keeps continuing bearish, you know, it's better to put the stop loss above liquidity a little bit for price to breathe. Boom, it hits it. Take profits. So from the last trade on the 18th was 900 profit, I'm pretty sure, and then this one was 752 profit. I forgot the ticks, but this is off of 5 contracts, so that would have been like just off 2 days. It's already almost 1,600 profit, or not almost, it is 1,600 profit. It's not too bad. I've been trading MNQ, or been trying MNQ because, you know, it's less risky, and you lend actual minis, because obviously 10 micros is a mini, and you know, it's just better to practice your strategy. I've been doing support and resistance, and I'll be using smart money concepts like breaker blocks, fair value gaps, trying to see what works, liquidities, trying to enter off liquidity sweeps and such of that nature. It's been doing pretty good. So, see you in the next trading day. Look at this setup, bro. It just looks beautiful. Alright, see you next day. I'll see you in the next week, because this is Friday. So, Monday. Oh no, it isn't. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow we're going to trade. Hopefully we get some trades in tomorrow, and yeah. This will be on my YouTube.